Welcome to Skyhawks Academy. Now today we are going to do the third part of intelligence test. So let's start.
Alright, so now today we are going to start our third part of intelligence test, and the question we have with us is 1/3 of 10% of 120 is. Now we have options 4, 5, 6, 7. See, to find 1/3 of 10% of 120, we can break it down step by step, just like I have told you in the previous class too. Now here what you have to do, first of all, we will find 10% of 120, which will be we will multiply 120 by we will multiply 120 by 0.01, so it will give us the answer of 12. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find next the 1/3 of 12, which will be will be find out by dividing it with 3, because we have to find the 1/3, so we will divide it by 1/3, which will be 12 by 3. Now this will give us the answer of 4. Okay, so our correct answer here is 4. Clear? So here is the correct answer. Now we have our next question, that is 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to. We have option with us 3, 4, 5, 6. See, to solve these type of questions, we have to follow the operations, which is often remembered using there is an acronym for this. Let me write down that acronym. P E M D A S. So to solve these type of questions, always remember this acronym. You have to solve out, you have to calculate, you have to make your calculations according to this acronym, which is, first of all, we have to do P, that is parenthesis. We have to solve out parenthesis, and then it comes exponent E. You can pause my video and write and make notes for your own self and write it down, the abbreviations of PEM, DAS, PEMDAS. Okay, it's just an acronym, so you can call it PEM, DAS, or you can call it by the name. Okay, and then it comes M. M means you have to multiply it, like after parenthesis exponents. Now you have to multiply, you have to give a calculation on multiplication. Then it comes D, which is division, and then from left to right, then addition and subtraction. So this is the order you have to follow while you are going to perform a calculation on mathematical functions. Now here the question is 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Now what we have to do in this case, we perform first division. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, right? So then we are going to perform addition, that would be left to right like this. So 2 plus 1 would be 3. So it's very important to follow the order in which it's gonna be presented, because in this order, PEMDAS, because otherwise you can if you do it like 2 plus like in this way, 2 plus 2, that would 4, and divided by 2 it would be 4, like the answer would be 2, which will wrong answer. Okay, now the next question we have with us is, the answer is here 3. The next question is, if one man write 5 papers in 5 minutes, then one man will write paper in how much time? Like 5 papers are there is a, see, in this question you have to find out one man write 5 papers in 5 minutes, right? It's very easy. One man will write 1 paper in, as 5 papers take 5 minutes, like one for every paper. So one man will write 1 paper in. Of course the answer would be 1. Clear? Next question is, out of 500 students, 360 are boys. The percentage of girls will be. We have options with us: 27%, 28%, 29%, or 30%. So here are the questions you have to focus on. That in these questions, I guess we already did this type of lesson in the last class, that when we have to find out this type of percentage, that this percentage is given, now find out the percentage of this amount. So we have to do, first of all, how many students we have? 500, right? So to find the percentage of girls out of 500 students, we need to subtract the number of boys from the total number of students. So if out of 500 students there are 360 boys, which gives us the answer 500 minus 360, which gives us the answer of 140. You can calculate it by yourself, okay? So here we have 140 with us. Okay? Now 140 is the percentage girls would be, is the amount the girls would be. We have to divide 140 by 500, because out of 500 there are 140 girls. So now we are going to divide 140 by 500. Clear? So when we will divide it here, it will give us, you can calculate it by yourself. Now along with division, we will be multiplying it by 100 just in order to find out the percentage. So when we will divide it and multiply it with 500, it will give us the answer of 28%. So our right answer is going to be 28%. Clear? I hope so this is clear. This method is, first of all, you have to subtract the total number of boys from the given amount of students. That will give us 140. Now in order to find, you gotta know that amount of girls is 140. Now you have to divide it by the total number of students, and then you have to multiply it with the 100, which will give you the answer of 28%. Clear? Now next question. Okay, now we have a question. Point out the different one from the following: wheat, hay, rice, barley. Now if you gotta know that hay is something different than wheat, rice, and barley. They all are eatable, and they all are type of grains, while hay is a casual greeting. So therefore the correct answer is D. Next question is, choose the most appropriate answer from the options. We boil milk to kill insects, germs, virus, and mosquitoes. When we boil the milk, the main purpose is to kill the germs. When we heat milk to a high temperature, it helps to eliminate harmful bacteria and other microorganisms that may be present in it. So this helps to make milk safer to consume. So the correct answer here out of all of this would be germs. Clear? Next question is, complete the following series LMN, and we have to find the relationship. We have our options O, P, Q, R. Now see, based on the given series, that is LMN, we can see that each letter is progressing sequentially through the alphabets, right? Starting with L, the next is M, followed by N. So the next letter in the series would be O. Therefore the correct answer is O, L, M, N, O, which makes a correct series. Now here is Ali brought a pen for rupees 30 and sold it for rupees 40. Profit will be. Okay, so these type of questions are used for profit purpose. What we have to do, we have to calculate the profit, and the options we have here with us are 33%, 10, 20, and 60%. See, this is going to be a bit tricky, so you have to think carefully that if you have to find the profit of the questions, you have to follow some steps that I'll be telling you. Now here we have with us some steps that are, first of all, you have to find out the main amount, that is 30 rupees, right? And we have sold it in a 40 rupees. To find the profit percentage, we need to calculate the profit and then express it as a percentage of the cost price. Now for example, let's do it. We have a profit that is going to be, I am writing P for profit, and selling price minus, here selling price minus cost price, which it cost us to buy. Okay, so for example, here selling price is 40 and our selling price is 40, right? And here we have our buying price, that is 30, right? Now we are going to do a subtraction and the answer would be 10. So from this question here, that is 10%. Now let's calculate the profit. I've just told you how do we have to calculate the profit. First of all, divide it by the total price. We have to divide it by the total price, then multiply it by 100. So here you have multiplied it by 100 and divided by 10. So the percentage we got from here is 33.3%. 33.33%. You can calculate it by yourself too. Okay? So the right answer would be A. Now see, let me tell you that you just have to follow simply the steps. First of all, for percentage questions, I'm telling you, you have to find out first profit is find out by selling price minus cost price, then 40 is the selling price, cost we buy it in a 30 rupees, so Ali buy it in a 30 rupees actually. So 40 minus 30 would be 10, so 10 divided by 30, which will give us for finding percentage, we will be dividing it like 10 divided by 30 multiply 100, which will give us answer of 33.3%. Clear? Now we have next question, which one is different from the others? Monkey, ape, chimpanzee and panda. Let's analyze the options to find the one that is different from the others. So out of the given options, panda, that is different from the others because it's not a type of primate. Monkey, ape and chimpanzee all are primates, while a panda is classified as a bear. So that's why, therefore, the correct answer is panda. Next question is, complete the following series. The series we have with us is A, C, F, J, O. Options we have are R, S, T and U. Now you have to find out the relationship between, first of all, the series question, that is like A, C, F, J and O, right? Now if we look closely, we can see that each subsequent letter is increasing in alphabetical order, right? But with a pattern of adding a certain number of letters in each of them. So from A to C we add 2 letters like B and C. From C to F we add 3 letters that are D, E and F. Now from F to J we add 4 letters G, H, I and K. G, H, I and J. Now from J to O we have to add 5 letters, that would be K, L, M, N and O. So following this pattern, the main correct answer here we will be having would be U, because the series would be working like this. So from now O to onward we will be adding 6 letters, and which will give us the answer of U. So the correct answer would be U.
So that is all for today's class. Stay with us, follow us on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook, and stay connected with us.